recording with Rivers Carlton, who's doing birdhouses in Miss Texins class. So what are y'all gonna do with the birdhouses after y'all finish?
So we're gonna build them, and we're gonna auction them, and we're gonna sell them to charity.
Okay, cool. What charity do you want the money to go to that you make off the birdhouses?
We don't know yet. We're gonna we're in service learning classes. They're researching charities, and we're going to vote which one's the best.
Oh, okay. What are you most excited about with the birdhouses? Painting them, building them, or selling them to charity?
Probably selling them to charity.
Okay, thank you.
How is this lesson helpful to students?
Basically it's trying to let us learn about math, like how we're being a team basically, helping each other out, and then about how we're the numbers, like the calculations of these. Basically, like the calculation that we did, we have to measure all of the sides to see how long was the birdhouse. So then we have to do that, and then we basically did the fun part.
Okay. Why do you think Miss Texan chose this lesson?
Basically to have fun and learn more about the math, and basically help us by measuring and doing square units.
What was your favorite part about building the birdhouses?
My favorite part was, I guess, screwing in, because I've never gotten to build a birdhouse. Basically, everything, because I've never built a birdhouse.
Okay, and then what is the most challenging part about it?
Screwing in.
Thank you. Do you think students are enjoying the lesson so far?
I think so. They seem to be. The ones that did it last time were telling me all about it the next day still, so I think so.
How did you come up with the idea of building the birdhouses?
At my old school, before I was at Fisher, I was in Columbia, and the Mechanical Contractors Association of South Carolina gave us a grant, and so the grade level I taught built clocks, which is what 7th grade is doing, and I did that, and then another teacher did the birdhouses. So I knew that it had been done, and I knew that involved area and volume and cost, but I didn't have the exact lesson plans, so I kind of just built off of her ideas and her broader things.